All right, guys, thank you for joining me and welcome back. For those of you who haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And actually today, this video that I'm doing, I love it because I'm getting ready to share one of my favorite snacks is what I like to call it. It is a twist on stuffed peppers, but I kind of don't like stuffed peppers. They're always big and the meat, the rice, and baking it. The flavor to me, I just don't like. Now, what I do like is stuffed sweet peppers that are deep fried. Yes, we are going to be stuffing and deep frying sweet peppers. All right, so keep watching. To start our stuffed peppers, we're going to use these sweet peppers right here. Now, I got these from Walmart. These are called Wild Wonders. Wild Wonders. And you see the size of these. Oh, my goodness, they're great. So you're going to go ahead and snip the top off of these. And, of course, your time kind of getting the seeds out. See the seeds in there? I'm just going to take a knife and just go around here carefully. You shake out the seeds that's in there. This is 2 pounds of ground beef, so we're going to go ahead and brown our ground beef. And at the same time, we're going to get our hot water ready. It's just a big pot of water. While your meat is cooking, you're going to chop up some celery, onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. Halfway point of your meat, when it's halfway cooked, you're going to add your celery, onion, and garlic to your meat. Don't add it until your meat is halfway cooked. Now that our meat is halfway cooked through, we are going to add our celery, onion, and garlic and just finish cooking it through. This will allow our celery, onions, and garlic to soften up. Right now, since this is done cooking, really, we're going to add some salt and pepper. I'm using seasoning salt, about a half a teaspoon. You can add a little more for taste if you want, and a little bit of garlic powder. I've already turned off my heat. I'm just going to mix that seasoning through there. And then we're going to drain the fat off. Our meat is draining and cooling off, and it's time to drop our peppers in our boiling water. I've already turned the heat off on our boiling water, and we're just going to allow these to soften up. Take about 3 to 4 minutes. And while we're doing that, we're going to go ahead and make our batter. Okay, so to make our batter for our peppers, we have a large egg, a cup of milk, 2 cups of flour, salt, pepper, and a little bit of paprika for coloring. Now over here, our meat has cooled down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add cheese. You can add some mozzarella cheese. I'm adding Tijuana cheese, which is like a quesadilla style, because it melts really well. We have our cheese mixed in to our ground beef, and also over here we have our peppers that is once again draining after being in the boiled water, because we want to get as much water out of here as possible, all of it actually. And while that's doing its thing, we're just heating up our hot oil. I need at least 3 inches of oil. I use a deep fryer. You can use a big pot and fill it up with at least 2.5 to 3 inches of vegetable oil. We are going to go ahead and start stuffing our peppers. Just take a little spoon, drop it down in there, shake it to make sure it goes down in there. And you want to pack this in there. I like to do it by using the end of my spoon. Kind of squeeze the ends of our peppers to make sure it opens up. So I am going to dip my peppers in the batter, roll it in cornmeal, dip it in the batter again, and drop it in some hot grease. Once you've battered and deep fried your sweet peppers, this is the end results. Try this recipe. Tweak it for your own taste with your seasoning. And check out the videos at the end. If you haven't already, like and subscribe and enjoy.